Calculus Examples, the chain rule. This is video 15. In example 1, y equals 2x plus 5 to the fourth. To review the above videos, you should pause this video now. All videos have been written and produced by Michael J. Bankhead. Example 1 from Part 1 of Video 13. Find the derivative of the function y equals 2x plus 5 to the fourth. Solution. You should try method 1 first. Then complete the exercises in scene 3. If you have difficulties with method 1, complete method 2. Then try method 1 again. See the reminder in scene 7. Method 1. A direct method. The chain rule is the only differentiation rule that allows you to write down the derivative directly from the function you want to differentiate. The function is y equals 2x plus 5 to the fourth. When the function y is a bracket raised to a power, the derivative of y equals dy by dx equals the derivative of the bracket raised to the power using the power rule is 4 into 2x plus 5 to the 4 minus 1 multiplied by is times the derivative of d dx of the function inside the bracket, which is 2x plus 5. So substitute 2x plus 5. Therefore, dy by dx equals, bring down 4 into 2x plus 5 to the 4 minus 1, which is 3, times d dx of 2x plus 5 is 2, and thus dy by dx equals 4 times 2 is 8 times, bring down 2x plus 5 cubed. The instructions above were first introduced in video 14. Now complete the 4 exercises in scene 3 using this method. In each question, write down the derivative directly from the question, omitting the line of working between them. To review the above working, you should pause this video now. Exercises. Applying method 1 to functions that involve a bracket raised to a power. Write down the derivative of all four of the following functions using method 1 in scene 2, if you write the above questions on a piece of paper, then display method 1 in scene 2, you can use it as a template to find the derivatives. To find each derivative using method 1 before seeing the answers, you should pause this video now. To simplify each derivative before seeing the final answers, you should pause this video now. To review the questions and answers, you should pause this video now. Finding the derivative. Method 2. A set procedure. The chain rule is: so before the chain rule can be applied, the function z must be identified. Identify the function z. Fact 1. If y equals a bracket raised to a power, then z equals the function inside the bracket. The function is, so y equals a bracket with 2x plus 5 inside, raised to a power which is 4, then z equals the function inside the bracket, which is 2x plus 5. Therefore, z equals 2x plus 5. The fact stated above was first introduced in video 14. To review the above working, you should pause this video now. The set procedure. I created the following set procedure so that once my students had identified z, they would always be able to obtain the correct derivative. See the reminder in scene 7. The question is, from scene 4, z equals 2x plus 5. Then y equals, since z equals 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5 to the fourth becomes z to the fourth. So dz by dx equals the derivative of 2x plus 5, which is 2, and dy by dz equals the derivative of z to the fourth, which is 4z cubed. The chain rule from scene 4 is, so dy by dx equals dy by dz is 4z cubed because dy by dz equals 4z cubed times dz by dx is 2 because dz by dx equals 2. Therefore, dy by dx equals 4 times 2 is 8 times z cubed is 2x plus 5 cubed because z equals 2x plus 5. You should complete the exercises in Scene 3 using Method 2 now, and then try Method 1 again. To review the above working, you should pause this video now. Once you understand Method 1 in this video and in videos 16 to 19, you will be able to find the derivative of any other function that requires the chain rule, because every function you will have to differentiate will be similar to one of the functions in these videos. Most of my students were able to use Method 1 very soon after I started the topic, and with practice, you can too. However, if you have difficulty understanding Method 1, then work through Method 2 first. In this method, you must first identify the function z in the chain rule formula. This is explained in Scene 4. After you have identified z, you can complete the set procedure in Scene 5. See the reminder in Scene 7. When solving questions from your textbook similar to the example in this video, you will find it helpful to display Scene 2 for Method 1, or Scene 4 followed by Scene 5 for Method 2, so you can use them as templates to find the derivative. You should then find this topic simple and beautiful. Cheers! Do not forget to check your answers with the answers in the back of the textbook. Reminder displayed without commentary. To review the above reminder, you should pause this video now.